Is it the right time to make a move on Shopify stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Shopify. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, November 2, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any vital updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has identified Shopify as a promising investment, giving it a score of 4.12. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We will closely monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $60.81, it could indicate a slower falling rate and possibly a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -12.62% over the next 3 months. The potential return ranges from -32.89% to -10.99%. Considering the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 48.87% change over the next year, with a potential return between 16.73% and 95.78%. This translates to a price range of $69.69 to $116.88 after 1 year. Our latest update for Shopify brings exciting news. The stock price experienced a strong increase on Thursday, rising by 22.36% to $59.70. On the last trading day, Thursday, November 2, 2023, the Shopify stock price showed impressive growth, jumping from $48.79 to $59.70, representing a 22.36% gain. What's even more interesting is that this marked the 4th consecutive day of gains. Now, we eagerly await to see if this upward trend will continue or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $55.51 and a high of $60.15, a range of 8.36%. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a total increase of 15.18%. Additionally, the trading volume on the last day increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In fact, there were 23 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 42 million shares bought and sold for approximately $2.52 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price reached $71.42, while the lowest price dipped to $30.44. Currently, the stock price sits at a 16.41% difference, or $11.72, below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it stands at a significant 96.61% difference, or $1,703.22, below its all-time high, which was achieved on November 19, 2021, with a price of $1,762.92. Analyst ratings. On Monday, October 16, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Shop a grade of equal weight with an action of initialize. On Monday, October 16, 2023, Needham gave Shop a grade of buy with an action of initialize. On Monday, October 16, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Shop a grade of overweight with an action of initialize. On Thursday, August 31, 2023, Canaccord Genuity gave Shop a grade of buy with an action of upgrade. On Tuesday, August 29, 2023, Roth Capital gave Shop a grade of buy with an action of hold. According to analysts, Shopify stock has been given a general buy rating. The PE ratio and price to book have both been rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Here are the signals identified for Shopify. The stock for Shopify has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relation between these two signals, with the long-term average above the short-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there is support at levels of $49.17 and $52.88. If the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 27, 2023, and it has risen by 28.66% so far. There is an indication of further rise until a new top pivot is found. Volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. There have been some negative signals issued as well, which may impact the short-term development. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which currently indicates a sell signal. Another signal worth noting is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also provided a buy signal 4 days ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also suggests a buy signal 31 days ago. If we zoom out and examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago. Likewise, the long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 51 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Shopify. When it comes to Shopify, there are a few important factors to consider: support, risk, and stop loss. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about support. Shopify has found support from accumulated volume at $59.04. This means that when the stock reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity. In other words, we can expect the stock to react positively when the support is being tested. Moving on to risk. Shopify is known for its average movements during the day. However, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. This means that while there is some level of risk involved, it is not overly high. Finally, let's discuss stop loss. It's important to have a stop loss strategy in place when trading stocks. This helps limit potential losses and protect your investment. In the case of Shopify, it's crucial to set a stop loss level based on your risk tolerance. To give you an idea of the stock's volatility, let's look at some numbers. Over the last day, Shopify moved $4.64 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a 8.36% change. In the past week, the daily average volatility was around 4.94%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Shopify, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023 is scheduled for November 2, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.150. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's analyze some potential day trading levels for Shopify. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Shopify is at $63.01. It's advisable to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position if you don't currently own any shares. If you're already holding the stock, this level could be considered for swing trading. On the downside, Shopify encounters its first support level at $59.04. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The consensus rating for Shopify among multiple analysts is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades involved Shopify Strategic Holdings 3 LLC, who bought and sold a total of 17,809,464 shares or options in the company. From the 7 most recent insider trades, we've calculated a positive insider power ratio of 73.990. In total, insiders have purchased 38,718,369 shares and sold 4,280,175 shares in the last 7 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $57.49, which reflects a decrease of 3.7%. Considering the stock's daily movements, it falls in the medium risk category. However, it's important to note that there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 4 days ago. Is Shopify stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity, with a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. Based on our analysis, we have upgraded our conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. On Friday, November 3rd, we anticipate Shopify to open down by $1.25 and commence trading at $58.45. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with its risks. To make informed decisions, we strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. StockInvest.us is here to provide valuable information, but it should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock, and we want to hear your thoughts too. Comment below and share your opinions. We're also curious to know what target you have in mind for this stock. If you find this content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. At Stock Invest, we strive to provide you with valuable insights for successful trading. We appreciate your support and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.